Paldies par uzmanību. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Ecolines crew, let me greet you on board the bus traveling along the road Riga-Praga. That's represented by bus drivers Valdis and Ivars and stewardess Karina. During the trip, we'll cross the borders of Latvia, Lithuania, Poland and Czech Republic. For your convenience, short stops are arranged during the journey, which will be announced additionally. Therefore, please follow the information given by stewardess. Our bus is following the route and schedule, therefore we kindly ask you not to miss the bus departure time. Dear passengers, to provide a comfortable journey, free internet is available on board the bus, as well as the customized meal for posture service. The menus are inside the pockets of the seats in front of you. The chemical toilet can be used during the whole journey, except the stops. The crew asks you to keep the salon and toilet room clean and use the toilet as indicated in the instructions inside the room. To provide this functionality, please do not throw any papers in the toilet bowl, but use the container instead. Dear passengers,